Hi everyone, today you're going to see what it's like to unbox the Apple Card, what the Apple Card offers in 2020, and my thoughts on what the next Apple Card needs to have. Let's get started. And let's see how easy it is to open. There's this tab right here, so we just pull it. A little bit tough. Okay, and let's get this on the side here. And okay, so let's see what's inside this box. So it looks like a gift card like holder with an Apple Card logo on top. And when I open it, it's very minimal. I see the card, and then it says to activate your card, wake iPhone and hold here. It has my name on it. It has the Apple Card logo. And then when I look at the back, I see Goldman Sachs and MasterCard. That's pretty much it. It definitely feels sturdy. Doing a drop test. Definitely metal. Definitely metal. Let me put it back in its holder for now. Apple Card is a rewards card issued by Goldman Sachs but created by Apple. What that means is that the Apple Card was designed around simplicity, transparency, and privacy. The titanium card has no card number, CVV security code, expiration date, or signature on the physical card. The features include daily cash, automatically deposited into Apple Cash card at the end of every night once a transaction is posted to the account. 2% cash back if you use Apple Card with Apple Pay. 3% on all purchases made directly with Apple, Uber Eats, Walgreens, Drain, Reed, T-Mobile, Nike, Panera Bread, and at Exxon and mobile stations. 1% in all other circumstances. The card in the Apple Wallet app will change colors depending on what you purchase. The Apple Card is a rewards card issued by Goldman Sachs but created by Apple. What that means is that the Apple Card was designed around simplicity, transparency, and privacy. The titanium card has no card number, CVV security code, expiration date, or signature on the physical card. The features include daily cash, automatically deposited into Apple Cash card at the end of every night once a transaction is posted to the account. 2% cashback if you use Apple Card with Apple Pay. 3% on all purchases made directly with Apple, Uber Eats, Walgreens, Drain Reed, T-Mobile, Nike, Panera Bread, and at Exxon and mobile stations. And 1% in all other circumstances. The card in the Apple Wallet app will change colors depending on what you purchase. Additionally, there are no fees with this card. Yup, you heard that right. No fees. No annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, no late payment fees, no balance transfer fees, but you do pay interest charges if you don't pay your bill in full every night. But you do pay your bill. But you do pay interest charges if you don't pay your bill in full every month. Speaking of paying your bill, all payments were done in the Apple Wallet. Speaking of paying your bill on time, previously all payments were done within the Apple Wallet app, which showed a range of payment options and instantly calculated the interest costs on depending on the different payment options. Speaking of paying your bill, Previously, all payments were done through the Wallet app. The Wallet app showed a range of different payment options and the interest costs associated with them. Recently, though, Apple launched a new website for Apple Card customers to pay online. There are some features that are only available for the Wallet app that are missing when you go online. That includes card information, the ability to unlock and request a replacement card, a detailed list of your latest transactions, weekly and monthly spending activity, and the ability to message customer support. Another great feature is the Apple Card monthly installment program. It's an interest-free way to buy a new iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other Apple devices with payments that are spread out over a period of time. There is no pre-approval necessary. All you have to do is select the Apple Card monthly installments option when buying your new device. Another feature is privacy. A unique card number is created on the iPhone for the Apple Card and stored safely on the iPhone. Apple doesn't know what was bought, where users shopped, or how much they paid. However, Goldman Sachs does. In terms of what could make this card better, while we do get 3% cash back on a few different stores, it would be nice to have better cashback options on this card. Definitely if we had cashback options associated with buying groceries, for example, that would be great. Instead of just having 3% cashback, why not have 4, 5, or 6% cashback? Some cards have it. I don't see why this can't. Another feature that I'd like to see is to extend the monthly installment feature to beyond the Apple Store. In closing, the Apple Card is the quintessential Apple product. It's simple, it's private, and it's transparent. Would I recommend this? It would depend. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, it's 3% off on any Apple product that you might buy. So to me, that's a no-brainer. If you don't have an iPhone, if you have an Android, I would not recommend this card. So in what situations would I not recommend this card? Well, the first situation I can think of is if you're not already in the Apple ecosystem. So much of the usefulness of this card depends on having an iPhone. So if you did not have an iPhone, it just would not make sense. It would just become another credit card. And this concludes my review of the Apple Card. Hopefully you found it useful, and hopefully this will be the first of many reviews. Thanks everyone for joining. Please subscribe. And this is GSC Tech and Finance, clocking out. Bye.